Dear friends, my heartful thanks to all of those who have signed our petitions and to those who have shared it. We, the bank pensioners, have knocked every door begging justice at the fag end of our lives. It is really painful that senior citizens like us have to besiege bureaucrats and politicians who occupy influential positions, and some of whom may be the age of our sons and daughters, and be treated by them with contempt and neglect. This indicates the degeneration of Indian culture of respect and humility. Friends, the inaction of bank management, IBA, regulatory authorities in finance ministry on the one hand, and the betrayal of our cause by the UFBU on the other has ruined the lives of bank pensioners at the sunset years of their lives by snatching their entitlements and forcing them to live a life of beggars in money terms. The pension amount fixed 20 to 25 years back is not sufficient to meet even the medical expenses, which go on increasing due to geriatric and old age related disabilities. We who were once a member of civil society are now leading a life of self-neglect. Let us show the cruel and brutal administration that we may lack in worldly prosperity, but we do not lack in spirit. Friends, although I initiated this movement, but it belongs to all of you, and therefore I had requested you to make videos of a duration of 1 to 2 minutes expressing your anguish, views and grievances. Your videos will find a place on this portal and make it a people's revolution. Friends, you may use English, Hindi or your mother tongue to describe your resentment and protests. Please email your videos as attachment to my email ID grp.bhatnagar bhatnagar@gmail.com. Your videos will find a place on my portal. Please don't forget to mention your name and place at the beginning of the video. Friends, I also request you to preserve the link to this petition and visit the petition page from time to time to monitor the progress of this movement. There are also a few links on the petition page to enable you to read the updates and make comments. I have uploaded around 5 updates for your information. You can also add your comments when you sign the petition or later when you visit the page. While writing your comments, please do mention your place and mobile number. This will enable all of us to encourage each other and make contacts with each other and make a wholesome group. Friends, it is the social media platform which has brought us all together. We did not know each other. This media has brought us all together, and to the misfortune of the country, but our fortune, COVID has restricted the movements of people. Your sons and daughters and daughter-in-laws may be working from home. Your grandchildren are staying at home because the schools are closed. Learn to use Twitter, 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 with the help of them, because Twitter is a very powerful medium for social media. We can tweet our views on the issues we feel strongly about, and we can retweet the tweets of like-minded people who espouse the same issue as you want to espouse. So please learn it. Don't let your age come in the way of learning. You can always learn it. There is no age limit for learning new things. Friends, we the bank pensioners are victim of injustice, discrimination, broken promises, human rights violations, unlawful, unconstitutional and illegal neglect. Who are responsible? Is it IBA, our unions, associations, or the mandarins sitting in the Ministry of Finance? Let us not waste our time on these matters. Let us not seek succor from them. Let us go direct to the people of this country. Let us all pensioners unite and espouse our cause through this social media. Friends, link to the petition has been shared 4066 times. That means 95% of the persons who have received the link have supported us, whether they were pensioners or member of the public. So we have been able to approach only 4,066 people by this time. If we increase this number, we increase the support. So let us all persist and cooperate with each other and continue to share our grievance through this link and petition with more and more people. We can convert this movement into a people's revolution. Show the unresponsible authorities that we are active, that we are alive and kicking. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. धन्यवाद. सत श्री अकाल. शुक्रिया. नमस्कार.